Greetings from Professor of Happiness. I am sure you have seen my last video where I have talked about effective habits can really help you become successful. In this video, I'm going to help you understand what do we mean by keystone habit and why you need to develop this keystone habit. So imagine that you wish to reach Nariman Point in Mumbai from Thane. There can be multiple routes to reach Nariman Point. It could be through the freeway or Dadar by Khala, or could be through the Western Express Highway. Which route to choose will depend on what all you want to do while going to Nariman Point. If you wish to complete some more work on the Western line, probably you may prefer that line, though it could be the longest route. Similarly, to achieve a particular goal in life, you need to develop habits which will help you reach your destination. Choosing the route or habit which can give you multiple benefits is what you would be looking for. And keystone habits are such habits which will help you. According to Duhigg, keystone habits are small changes or habits that people introduce into their routines that unintentionally carry over into other aspects of their lives. Keystone habits create a domino effect that change every area of your life. Let me give you a very small example of keystone habit. Suppose you have developed a habit of doing regular exercise. So studies have shown that people who regularly exercise, say probably 3 to 4 times a week, tend to eat healthier. Second, if they consume alcohol, it is seen that they consume little less alcohol. If they smoke, they have a tendency of smoking less, and they are more productive at their workplace than the normal other weeks. They have a better sleep and they are fresh throughout the week. I have personally experienced this effect time and again. My healthiest and most productive weeks also happen to be the same weeks where I didn't miss a single workout. On these days, I have a high level of discipline and self-control to avoid procrastination, resist social media distractions and temptations to eat unhealthy food. Conversely, the weeks where I skip my workouts are usually my least productive ones. I have much harder time getting out of bed to do anything which is productive with less self-control to avoid making bad decisions. Some of the example which I wish to share with you, probably in terms of keystone habits, are making your bed every day. Probably it gives you something like skills of budgeting, feeling good about yourself. All those habits get connected with this habit of making bed every day. Similarly, exercising, I have already told you, is a very good keystone habit. Tracking your food or tracking what you eat every day is another important keystone habit. Probably it can help you out. Developing a daily routine is a fantastic keystone habit. Meditating could be another keystone habit which you can develop. Planning out your entire day. So how are you going to spend your, say, 12 hours or 14 hours of the day? If you have that kind of plan, probably you develop that habit of planning, and that is another one of the keystone habits. And these are some of the habits which a lot of successful people have. Another important habit which is like having dinner with the family. So these are some of the important habits which I feel you should develop. At least you develop one or two, because once you develop one or two, probably they will start getting connected with your lifestyle and probably will help you to achieve what you wish to achieve. And I'm sure you are going to achieve your goals with your habits in place. So wishing you all the best and looking forward to see you developing some keystone habits. Thank you so much.